In today's class, I am going to explain about the sample website design using the division tag. Then how it is possible to design any kind of web page using the division tag. Then I will show you with help of the example how do you design uh, horizontal navigation bar. As per that, you can also create the vertical navigation bar. In today's class, I am going to design the web page with horizontal navigation. How should we create the menus or horizontal navigation bar? Then see here, then you come to the HTML code. This is the main division. It should be opened here. It is closed over here. Then here the subdivisions has been using over here. The division class equal header for styling. I would like to add the division class equal header. If you want to write any content, you can write. But here I would like to add the styles for this division. Okay, if you want to add the container what suppose container it is for entire the page. Then I would like to add then margin should be 0 pixel. Then padding should be 0 pixel. Okay, the container, whatever the container enter the body, the margin should be 0 pixel, the padding should be also 0 pixel. Then here, when you come to here, because 0 pixel means all the sides, top, bottom, and left type margin should be 0. Okay. Then when you come to the header, the subdivision has been used over header tag. Some background color blue. The height should be what is the height of the division? The height of the division should be 50 pixel. Then width is 100 percentage. Then you can see here. Then how the output would be displayed. Yeah. Then I refresh the page. Yeah. It is for only the background color should be what? Then I would like to maximize it. Yeah. The background color of division is blue. Then width is 100 percentage. Then height is 50 percentage. Okay. If you want to add any text over there, you can add it. Then I would like to add the any content just a styling purpose. Just I used that. Then after that, I want to create the navigation bar. In that navigation bar, if you want to add the logo and menus, then I would like to create a separate division for logo and menus. For menus, I would like to take the separate division. Then class logo, it is one. Then it will be closed over here. Then what is the image? You'd like to use the image tag. Then source equal. Then I would like to add what are the images are there in my desktop. I will show. Suppose flower is there. Flower dot jpg. Yeah. Then close. Then I would like to resize the image. Then I would like to add image tag. Then height should be 100 pixel. Width should be 100 pixel. Width should be 100 pixel. Then if you want to display the image in a circle format, then border radius, what is called border radius, where it is there, then 50 percentage, isn't it? Then I would like to add the width and height for the navigation. Then what you have to do is the navigation, yeah. Then background color should be black, black. Then height should be 100 pixel. Then what is the width? Width should be 100 percentage. Then I would like to check, okay, before adding the image. See here, this is next. I would like to create the tag, division tag for the menus. In this division, I would like to add the image at the left side and I would like to add the menus. If it is possible, then I will write the code, then check it once. I would like to add the image over there. Now, the image source is called clover.jpg. Then we will see the output would be displayed. See here, the image has been displayed over there. Got my point? The image has been displayed over there. Here, where it is there, the header, navigation bar, then logo. Then dot logo, the float equal to left. As usual, it has been displayed at the left. Because why should I the float? The number of divisions should be displayed in the same line. We could able to use the log float. Then after that, I would like to take another division for menus. Menu close. Yeah, the division class division will be closed over here. We would like to take what is called menus by using the anchor tag. The anchor tag. What is hyper reference equal in home. Anchor tag will be closed. Then yeah, I would like to add about then year awards. As for your application, you take your own menus, then gallery, here contact. See here the home, about, awards, gallery, then how it would be displayed. Then menus, yeah, then menu, yeah, color, menus color, what is the color should be height. Then float should be right. You can see how it would be displayed over here. You see here home, about, the awards. Then if you want to display the home, about, awards, gallery and contact, okay, it should display in the proper format. I would like to use because anchor tag, what is called the padding should be 10 pixel. Then how it will be displayed, we can see. Yeah. Then text decoration should be none. Then color should be white. The black and white combination. Then see, yeah, good. The text decoration means the underline has been removed. Then if you want to put this one, then you can use the padding over here. Top. Then what should I do here? The margin of 10 pixel. Then I would like to see over here. I would like to use padding top 10 pixel. Yeah. Then 20. It is in proper position. That's why I'm using the padding over here. Yeah, good. Then 25. Yeah. You see here, if you want to increase the font size, I would like to use the font size should be 30 pixel. Then how it will be displayed, you can see. Yeah, good. Then home, about, awards, gallery, and contact. Here, what I done, just I would like to create the horizontal navigation bar with help of the division tab. Then if you click on it home, you can create a separate file for the home, about, awards, gallery, contact. Okay, if you want to create the full design of any type of the web page, you contact me through mail, chat box, window, or else WhatsApp. Then if you want to create the enter the page for any kind of organization, then if you would like to add the title, you can add the title over here. If you want interested, otherwise don't add it over there. Then here, if you want to over, then anchor, what is called, if you want to add the animations, then what is called the background color should be what you want. Then medium. After that, the border radius should be 10 pixel. See here, whenever the mouse cursor moves over a menus, the background color would be also changed. Then border radius would be a 10 pixel. You can see. Then refresh the page. Yeah, got it. Yeah. Okay. This is very important. You can add the styles, logo, and menus in a single division. I written the simple code for it. Okay. If you want to design any type of the web page, you can contact me. Okay. If any doubt regarding this website, please contact me through comment box. Thank you. Thank you one and all for watching my videos.